Let's see if this is epic fail number 3. This is the 3rd time today we've been to this elevator. We are at the student union. And guess what? The door's open upstairs. And this is take 2. Let's see what happens. Oh. Epic fail.
Sounds like someone was...
And you know what they say, 3rd time's a charm, right?
Yep.
It is.
Oh my gosh, we're getting it right in.
Guess who gets to open the door?
Me? Yep.
Is it here? I heard it start. Let me just make sure.
Yep, 3rd time's the charm, as he said.
Go and open the door now.
Can you hold my camera?
Yeah. I want to get in this thing quick. Opener. Here's your camera. Actually, I might feel me closing it.
Okay.
Outside first, then in.
Oh, I almost put it up too far.
So you know what? The 3rd time is a charm, right?
Yep.
Now, before we go anywhere, we're getting a good cab view. Here's your camera.
It's a greasy mess.
Here's your camera.
The hands are filthy now.
This is a Dover. Need a drink?
Yeah.
Mr. Nasty. Sorry about your wall. This elevator speaks. All right, let's see what's over here.
It also prevents me from focusing.
All right, you ready to go? You want to send it up and I'll send it down, or?
Okay.
I'll send it up and you send it down. Here we go. Motor. Going for there and be racing it down. Hold on, let me see something here. Right in the kitchen, if you want, so you can send it down.
Look at that. Weight capacity is only 2,000 pounds.
This elevator is very greasy. There's grease all over the floor in this thing.
Yeah. The whole thing needs a hosing.
Streetcar 1743 would do a good job on this elevator. You know he's an elevator cleaner, right?
Yep.
Now, does this thing deserve another ride?
I think so.
Send her back up?
Alright. You pushed the button the first time, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Does have a nice motor.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet and smooth.
And we get to go down instantly.
That's the nice thing about manual doors.
Yeah.
One industrial light.
There's the graffiti on the wall.
Mystery stains.
Is there mystery stains in this elevator?
Not only mystery stains, but mystery liquids.
God loves all of us. That's the best thing I've seen on that door. All right.
All sorts of graffiti.
This is a greasy. Well, look at this. There's
swag.
This is pure grease here. It's a wonder I didn't fall.
My feet are all slippery now.
Yeah. This is a Class A. I mean, you can't bring a forklift. There's the emergency light.
Do you want to get the door?
You get to close it. Now close the door.
Okay. Inside first?
Yep, inside first and outside. And there it goes, and here's your camera.
Thank you.
That is it. Guess what time it is? A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons.
And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.